Bonjour, my name is Tamer. Today I'm preparing a traditional Middle Eastern dish, lamb shank with Kabsa rice. It's an easy recipe to enjoy with your family during the holy months of Ramadan. To prepare the lamb, we will need this ingredient: cardamom, salt, black pepper, saffron, baharat or allspice, dry lemon, garlic, cinnamon sticks, bay leaf, nutmeg, clove, tomato juice, sliced onion, and tomato paste. To prepare the rice, we will need chopped onion, grated carrots, butter, and for the garnish, we'll use chopped coriander, almond, and raisin. Okay, before we start to cook our lamb shank, take out your pot and put it in the stove to bring it to the right temperature. Then after, we'll start to season the lamb shank. We'll add some salt. Other side, some black pepper, both sides as well. So now that your pot is heated up, we'll add some corn oil. In order to know that if your pot is already well heated, you will start to see like a little bit of smoke coming out of the oil. This is the right temperature to add the lamb shank. We'll take it out of the pot and we start to cook the other ingredient that will go in the braising liquid with the lamb shank. So start by adding the onion. When the onions start to get a little bit transluted, we'll add the other ingredient, the garlic and the spices, bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, dry lemon, 2 cardamom, clove. Cook a little bit to get all the flavors out. Now we'll add the tomato paste. Then we'll add the tomato juice, saffron, a little bit of baharat, and we'll add some nutmeg. Then after we add the lamb shank back to the pot. Then add enough water to cover the lamb shank. A little bit more salt and pepper. So right before taking the lamb shank out of the oven, we'll put another pot for the rice. We'll add some oil, the onion, chopped onion. Let the onion sweat for like about 1 minute. We'll add a little bit of butter. We grate the carrot a little bit thicker than usual, just to keep the shape after cooking all the ingredients together. So we'll add about 2 cups of the liquid to 1 cup of the rice. After stirring the rice, we'll bring the temperature down. Normally take about 20 minutes for the rice to get cooked. Then now we'll cover it. And now it's ready to add the garnish, which is raisin, some fried almond, and chopped coriander. I hope you will enjoy preparing this recipe for your family, and I would like to wish you a Ramadan Kareem.